Greetings, welcome to video 4. In the last video, we tested the significance of factor 1 vis-a-vis Hillary and her different speaking roles for women, and we found a very significant difference between when Hillary is speaking as a United States Senator about women versus when she's talking about women when she's First Lady or Secretary of State. We found that whatever this factor is, she got much lower on it to a statistically significant degree. So that teaches us that it's very much worth our while to interpret that factor. Now, in this video, we're going to do the same for factors 2 and 3. So what we're going to do is go back to ANOVA. This is factor 2 is located in C51. We're going to do the group again. We're going to have Tukey marked. We're going to hit OK. Oh, there is an interesting pattern because there it looks like it isolates Secretary of State. She's sort of high as First Lady on this factor, and she is somewhat high as a U.S. Senator as well, but she goes down as Secretary of State. So we don't know if it's significant yet, but let's look and see with the Tukey whether she is significant. You are significant if you don't cross 0, and it looks like all of these actually do cross 0. So while there is a difference, and she's lowest when she's Secretary of State, it's not really a statistical difference, and we'll see that because the p-value is really not that low. We want a p-value of 0.05 or less, and it's 0.147. And in addition, if we go down to the comparisons, we see they're all A's. So the point is, factor 2 is not worth our interpreting. Now we'll go to factor 3, which is located in C52. And now we're going to hit group. And oh, this looks like it is relatively significant, definitely between U.S. Senator and Secretary of State. And then First Lady is a little bit in the middle, but I suspect that we do have some significance here. So if you look here, this definitely does not cross 0. So there is a significant difference in factor 3 as to how she spoke as Secretary of State and how she spoke as First Lady. And so we're going to capture that, and you see the p-value is very low, 0.000, and we also see A, B, and C. Well, this is fascinating. This is very fascinating because it means that there's a statistically significant difference between all 3. So factor 3 is definitely worthwhile interpreting. So we know from this that we stand much to gain by interpreting factors 1 and factors 3, but not factor 2. So there we're going to stop there.